It's trip day. How's it going, everybody? Oh my gosh, welcome to Jeffrey's Adventures. I am here in Portland's train station. Yeah, I've never ridden a train. I thought I would give this an opportunity. Why not? I've never done it. It's only a 3.5 hour stress-free ride to Seattle. And why am I going to Seattle, you ask? I'm going on another cruise. Yes, I am. Yes, I'm going on the Carnival Splendor tomorrow. And we're headed to Alaska. And of course, I'm going to bring you guys along. This is exciting. Hey, I have never ridden a train. Can you believe that? And that's why I'm doing this. One of the experiences. Oh my. How cool is that, huh? I've never done that. All right, guys, I am on my way. I am sitting here waiting. I already checked in. My baggages are in. And the train's supposed to arrive shortly, and I'll be able to board, and I'll bring you guys along. All right, see you in a minute. Just got here. Wow, what a beautiful night here in Seattle. I'll tell you right now about that train ride was something. Hotel. I'm going to tell you, this is a very small room. I got it for one night. I knew I was coming around 10:30 today, so it's not that big a deal, but it reminds me of New York hotels. They're very small. Anyway, Ace Hotel, very small. Got a bed. I got robes. I got the door, and then right outside the door is a his and hers restroom, and it has a sink, so you can. This reminds me of more like a luxury. Let me get some better lighting. Hostel. Obviously, I have my own room, but anyways, they said that this is. They have 8 rooms this size, and then they have the larger 1 bathroom, 1 bedroom sitting area. But downtown Seattle's expensive, so it kind of reminds me of New York, San Francisco. But to be right in the middle of everything, literally, is just around the block. I can go to Pike's Market, and everything's right around me. So it's kind of worth it for that reason, versus going at the Hyatt, which is 4 blocks this direction around. Let's see, so that would be south of me here, and that's going for $550 a night. So yeah, there you go. All right, we'll see you guys in a bit. I thought that was really kind of cool, this kind of retro style clock radio, and these robes a little bit better. And then in here is all your amenities, and then they give you this, all the little tote bags for stuff like the hair dryer and that kind of stuff. And then they got a kind of a all stainless steel, so you can get ready. But you have to be really careful right here. See this That's a shin breaker. Can you see that? So I've already hit my shin once, and I've only been here 5 minutes. So, all right. And then they have a window air conditioner, which is plenty for this small space. And then for the winter time, they have this radiator style heater, a little tiny old TV. I don't even see the remote, but that's okay. I'm not here to watch TV. So yeah, it's a converted office building is what this is. So it's got a lot of history, and I like what they did overall. So yeah, so I double checked my price to make sure I was right. Yeah, so it's $214 a night for this room here, and then one with a bath was $340. So why did I come back? Because I have my my robe. Wait, let me get the logo. Oh, I can't get the logo. Oh, there you go. It feels like I have a gi on. If any of you had ever taken when you were a kid, or maybe you do now, karate, you would wear a special robe. It really feels just like it. I want to just go, good night. Good morning. Oh my, what a wonderful start to a great vacation. We are heading to Alaska today. Anyways, I thought I would share some of the sights. I did some pre-recording of Seattle and what to do, and I thought I'd walk down to the cafe and show you all everything that I filmed. So yeah, things to do before you go to Alaska. Try to come a day early and enjoy this beautiful city. It's just amazing. So yeah, give it a whirl. I am gonna just get changed. I haven't even opened my suitcase. I was so tired. I just went to bed last night. So we'll see you guys in just a couple of minutes, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I made it to the cafe. It's called Macarena Bakery. I'm gonna check this place out, and then I'll tell you guys the story. I thought they had outside seating, but let's go take a look. Oh my gosh. So, let's see what I got. Oh, look at this pastry. Take a look. Let's see. Oh, yeah. So this is a raspberry. And then I had that cold brew. It's a vanilla cold brew with a little bit of cream. And oh my god, it's so amazing. Oh my gosh. Let's try the pastry. Oh. Made with love. Awesome. Way to start the day. Wow. Wow. It's a winner. Alright, we'll see you guys in a second. I'll tell you some stories. That's probably one of the best cold brews I've ever had. I'm not joking. It was so delicious. It was a vanilla cold brew with a little bit of cream. Outstanding. Oh my gosh, if you come to Seattle, just go there for a little treat. Awesome. Yeah, so I'm on First and Battery. That's where this is located, in downtown Seattle. And look at the view from here. Oh my goodness. Isn't that something? We got a little bit of overcast. No big deal. Yeah, so behind me, up the mountain here, if I point that direction, over on the other side is where the Space Needle is. So that's where you would go to visit the Space Needle. It's actually adjacent to my back. But over here on this, on the other side, down the hill, is where the aquarium is. I came down here with Mom a little while ago, and I'll insert a lot of the footage here. Some of the sights you have to see in this city are the Space Needle and the Pike's Market. You got to see the flying fish. You have to see the arts, the first Starbucks. That's why I come here. There's so many things to do. The gum wall. Check it out. Pretty cool, huh? Okay guys, so yeah, this room served its purpose. I'm all fresh and ready to go. Yeah, so last little tour of the room. Let's do a spin. I call this the DNG Spin. I'm not copying, I'm just doing it. Anyway, that's the room. Alright, I'm all ready in my gear, boarding day gear, and then I'm going to go down and order that Uber, and I'll be back in just a few seconds. I'll show you how the drive is over to the port, and let's see if we have some drone time. If we do, you'll see the footage. If not, then I couldn't get it out. Alright guys, we'll see you in a few minutes. Alright, I got my Uber and we are headed to the ship. It took like 2 minutes to get my Uber here. That same experience I had at the train station yesterday. Anyway, so we're on our way. We'll see you in a minute.